Awesome, dear. So, what about your this one? What the video you have sent? It was 3 minutes 41 seconds, and the duration of the video was praiseworthy, and topic also, it was also a valuable topic you have chosen, but not used any vocabulary, Shikha. Vocabularies are now for you first and foremost things to things to work for communication. Hmm. Yes, only this one only you have used here. So I need most of the time you should use the vocabularies that are really very common. You have to just replace them, and rather and then you should use any new vocabulary in here. I gave you at least more than 100 or maybe more than 80. You should work on these all. If you are working on these 80 words, then I don't think that you need some other vocabularies. You can continue, you can complete your communication with any topic with this 80 vocabulary. I will not give you any other vocabulary because these the vocabularies I gave you, sent you already, that's are enough for your improvement in communication. That's really enough. So try to use as much as possible. Otherwise, you can talk. The fluency you have, it's really uh, uh, there is no doubt about that. One thing is that vocabularies are must. And I don't need 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes. I need just 1 or 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. But there should be plenty of use of new words. That is really phenomenal one. You should have to learn how to use vocabulary. You are talking and you are getting some environment that you are really have a very you have really both of you have a very good fluency. But if you are just talking on and not using vocabulary, then you will be counted with the people who are generally talking. Now English is really very easy language. Everybody can say, everybody can take, and everybody can communicate. But difference is there. Difference is that if you are using new words here, and that is called amazing. That is called happening.